video. Baniriza mu video yaffe olunaku olwaleero. Yes, let me first share this link such that, like before, every Sunday, we are always having live streaming. See the board very well? Okay, tap the screen, like, and share. Today we are going to explain the difference between using at and to. Using at and to. So I'm waiting for you guys to come through and we start the class. Yes, we're going to explain at and to. So you are welcome, guys. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are most welcome today. Baniriza olunaku olwaleero. So tap the screen and like and share and we start. Tap the screen, like and share and we start. Don't forget, every Sunday we're always streaming live. Okay, so where are you watching from? Can you see the board very well? Can you see the screen very well? You can always inform me. You are welcome. As we're waiting for others, you can get your pen and paper and we start. Get your pen and paper and we start. We are going to start. So you are most welcome. Please, where are you watching from? As we are waiting for others to come through, where are you watching from? I am called Teacher Beny. I am called Teacher Beny and I am in Uganda. Mpitibwa Teacher Beny era ndi mu Uganda. Don't forget, always like my channel and you can always follow me on YouTube and TikTok at beny2178. So this is the username. TikTok and YouTube. So where are you watching from, please? Can I know where you are watching from before we proceed? You can always send me a message and I know that you are always following. Also, there is a message, you type in the message, type the screen, you can tap that icon, that thumbs up icon to show that you like the video. Okay, so today we're going to look at these words using at and using to. Yes, using at and to. Are we together? Using at and to. Yes, so these two words, we are going to look at them today. So get your pen and paper. On a pen or papula tugenda tandika. As we're waiting for others, you can always get your pen and paper. Prepare your pen and paper because we are going to start as we are waiting for other students to get online. Yes, share the live on your statuses such that more people benefit. Are we together? Good. So today we're going to look at describing location. What do I mean by describing location? Describing location mbantegeeza ki? When ngamba describing location, describing is okunnyonnyola. Okay? For example, someone can tell you, can you describe the map? Okay? If someone asks you, can you describe the map? Aba agamba, osobola gwe okunnyonnyola maapu. So map in Luganda, map like ekintu kye bakozesa oba nga olaba maapu y'ensi okumanya ensalosalo zikomawa gye bayita map. Okay, for buli nsi eyina map yayo. Map ya Uganda yakula bweti. Abajjukira geography, it is like this, our Uganda. So this is what we call a map. Okay, so map eraga ensi ensalosalo zayo. So map muyinza okubaamu forest, muyinza okubaamu rivers, muyinza okubaamu lakes and many other things. Are we together? So this is what we call a map. Okay, in English we call this a map. So a map, if someone tells you, can you describe the map? Abategeeza osobola okunnyonnyola maapu. Okay, so in other words, describing kitegeeza okunnyonnyola ekintu. So if you go into an interview and they ask you, can you describe yourself? Abategeeza osobola okweyogerako, okwennyonnyolako. Are we together? Okay, so now we're going to look at describing location. Location is ekifo oba ewantu wobeera osinziira oba wobeera oli. Ndowooza ngezezaako okunyonnyola describing kyekitegeeza. Are we together? So, but before we proceed, tunaba kweyongerako as we're waiting for others to come through. Please, can I know where you are watching from? Send me a text and I know where you are watching from. As I've told you, for me, I am in Uganda. Perhaps you might be the first viewer. Where are you watching from this video? Before we proceed, remember, how can we use at? How can we use to? Because these words do confuse students. Be confusing. That's why it is very essential to know them. To and at. Okay? At and to. In Luganda, these two can mean ku. For example, ndi ku ssomero. I am at school. Ndi ku ssomero. Okay? Ndi ku katale. Ndi ku katale. Are we together? A minute, please. Hope the screen is visible. Okay? So, at and where do we use at? Where do we use to? Today we are going to look at the difference these two words. So, for example, ngenda ku katale, ngenda ku ssomero. Are we together? So, there is some difference between at and to. Waliwo enjawulo wakati w'okozesa at n'okozesa to. Are we together? If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up icon. Tap in that icon such that more people are motivated to join the live. Okay, let's proceed as we're waiting for others to proceed. To come through rather. Okay, so we have at and to. So these two words are used to describe location. Location tegeeza ki? Ekifo ekintu bwe kiba kiri kye tuyita location. Are we together? So, but the way we use at is different from the way we use to. Are we together? So bino ebigambo bikozesebwa mu location. Mwagala kulaga location y'ekintu. Are we together? We are going to look at examples. I'm going to first explain this. Okay? So, where do we use at? Let's first start with this word at. At, first and foremost, we use it on a fixed, okay? Fixed position. Fixed position. At. We use it when something is at a fixed position. What do I mean by fixed position? With fixed position, I mean something being static. Static or stationary. Stationed somewhere. Okay? Something being stationed somewhere. Ekintu nga kiri mu kifo at that time. Nga kituuse mu kifo. It has reached the place. For example, if I have a girl here, and this girl is heading to what? Is heading to school. If I can say, I have this girl, but this girl is heading to what? To school. So I cannot use at when the girl is still in the motion. I use at when the girl has already stationed here. That's why I've said at is used when something is at a fixed what? A fixed position. Okay? So at ngikozesa inga ekintu kituuse nga kiri, it has reached its destination. Kibadde mu motion naye ne kituuka at a fixed position. I'm going to use at. Okay? So already otuuse ng'oli ku ssomero. At because you have arrived at that position. Okay? At ngikozesa nga ndi ku fixed position. Once again, at ngenda gikozesa when something is at a fixed position nga kituuse. Fixed position, or it is stationed somewhere nga kituuse kiri wamu at that position. Are we together? Okay, let's proceed. So at, we've seen how we can use at. Okay, let's look at to. I'm going to give you more examples. I'm still explaining this to the difference. We have to. The root word to. Where do I use to. Eno to ngikozesezaawa. To ngikozesa ng'ekintu kikyali mu motion, tekinnaba kutuuka. It is still in motion. Okay? Or its probability, not probability, it is still in action. Another example, I'm having my girl here. I'm having my girl here. So this girl is heading to a school. It's going to a school. Okay? This girl is heading to a school. So omwala ono agenda ku ssomero. Are we together? Omwala agenda ku ssomero. So omwala baba agenda ku ssomero tannaba kutuuka. So ali mu motion. Ogenda kukozesa to. Oba ogamba omwala agenda ku ssomero kubanga tannaba kutuuka. So there we are going to use this word to, because the girl is still in motion. Okay? Omwala akyali mu motion. Okay, let's look at examples. Hope I've explained the difference. So eno to tugikozesa when something is still in action. Agenda. Okay? Akyali mu genda, tannaba kutuuka. Watuuka ogenda kukozesa at, because it is positioned. Atuuse. Are we together? Good. Okay, let's look at examples. Now I've explained the two. Ndowooza kati you've gotten the difference between using at and to. But before we proceed, please can you send me some messages where you are watching from, such that I know. Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Before we proceed to examples, njagala kumanya mulabira wa abaliko online. Where are you watching from? Send me your answers. Send me your messages in the comment section. Where are you watching from and who is online and aliko, such that I'm motivated to proceed. Okay, let's proceed. We are going to have some examples. If I have an example like Maria is going Maria is going to the shop. Maria is going to the shop. Maria is going to the shop. The first example, we've said Maria, where is Maria going? Maria is going to the shop. Remember the first diagram I've given you? I've given you a lady here. For example, this is Maria. And this is the shop. Shop in Luganda. What is shop in Luganda? Ani ayinza okumbuya shop in Luganda twagamba baluyita batya? Shop in Luganda. This is the shop. What is shop in Luganda? Anyone to try that? Shop in Luganda tujita tutya? Send me a message and I know. Shop in Luganda. So this is the shop. Shop mu Luganda tujita tutya? Shop in Luganda tujita tutya? When I say shop in Luganda tujita tutya to shop? Anyone to try? Send in your answers in the comment section, please. Send in your answers in the comment section. What is shop in Luganda? Anyone to try? What is shop in Luganda, please? Good, eduka. So shop in Luganda is eduka. Okay, so Maria is going. Olaba akyali mu motion. So Maria is just going. Tannaba kutuuka. Is just going. So here we are going to use verb, which is the verb here is going. Okay? Maria is going to. Tannaba kutuuka ali mu motion. Maria is going agenda bugenzi. So we are going to use to. Okay? Maria is going to the shop. So this in Luganda, Maria is going to the shop. Kigenda kuba Maria akola ki? Maria agenda ku duuka. Not kudduka, but kudduka, shop. Maria agenda kudduka. Tanaba kutuuka agenda bugenzi, ogenda kukozesa ku. Maria agenda kudduka. Okay? Maria agenda kudduka. Beautiful. Aha. If I have, now Maria has reached the shop. Maria ali wano. Maria kati ali wano. Okay? This is Maria. Agenda. So now Maria has reached. Atuuse. Aha. Maria aliwa. Ogenda gamba. Maria is at. Kubanga atuuse. Twagambye at tugikozesa at a station, at a what? When someone is stationed at that position, you're using at. So here you're going to say Maria is at the what? The shop. Okay? Maria is at the shop. Kati wana atuuse. Maria has reached the shop. So you're going to say Maria is at the shop. Are we together? Beautiful. Aha. Maria is at the shop. In Luganda, tugenda gamba. In Luganda we say Maria ali. Ali kuchi kuduka. Good. Maria ali kuduka. Maria is at the shop. Maria ali kuduka. Once again, tugikozesa when something is stationed at that position. Tugikozesa ng'ekintu kituuse ku ki ko your position, whereas tugikozesa when something is just in motion. Okay, let me give you another example such that we further understand what I'm trying to mean. If I say Kato is driving dash dash work. Then the next example. Kato atuuse ngenda gamba Kato is dash work. Before I proceed, can you try this? The first one, Kato is dash. What is the answer here? Send in your answers in the comment section. Typing an answer yo ngolaba. Typing an answer yo mu messages indabeko. Number 1, answer erichi wano. Number 2, answer erichi. Before we proceed. Number 1, Kato is driving. Ali mu kuvuga tanaba kutuka. So Kato is driving to work. Good. Then Kato atuuse. Kato aliwa. Kato is at work. Okay? Those are the answers. Another one. So this is your exercise. Beautiful. So now this is your exercise to try. When I say this is your exercise to try out. If I give you then I say the return is to police. Then I have yes, let's first try out this. Remember, every Sunday we have live streaming. Abatabaddewo, please. We are learning how to use at and to. Okay? how to use at and to. So don't forget, if you like, you can always WhatsApp me on the numbers. We have private classes from Monday to Friday. Okay, let's first see. This is your exercise. Number one, I have, she has reached dash the supermarket. So what is the answer here? Please send in your answers in the what? In the comment section. Sending an answer yo mo comment section such that we interact. She has reached dash the supermarket. What is the answer there? Answer yange erichi. I'm waiting for your answers in the comment section. Sagala mbawe buli kimu. Sagala mbawe buli kimu. So read through this first one ombwire answer. Sending an answer yo mo comment section and we proceed. Sending an answer yo mo comment section and we do proceed. Number one, we have, she has reached dash the supermarket. So we are using at, either at, or we are using to. Ogenda kujjuzamu gana mabanga ng'okozesa at oba to nga bwe mbadde ngezaako okubannyonnyola ababasoose okubeerako. Sending an answer yo mu comment. Type your answers. Type wandika number one, then ozaawo answer. Number two, no wandikawo answer. Number three, no wandikawo answer, and we compare. Send in your answers. You write your answers, just write answers. Number one, write the answer. Number two, write the answer. Number three, write the answer. And you send in the comment section. I'm waiting to see the answers, please. Answers are mweziri chi. What are your answers? What are your answers? What are your answers? Sending an answer yo mo comment section. Number one, answer chi. Number two, number three as well. Yes. Number one, what is the answer? Sending an answer yo mo comment section, please. Number one, what is the answer, please? Okay, so hope you've learned something. So you can always send in your answers in the comment section. Okay? Okay, sorry for the network issue. Let's proceed. So the answer here, number one was, she has reached dash the supermarket. Okay? She has reached dash the supermarket. And the answer was, she has reached, what is the answer? Mbadde saga abawa answer zange nga mukyali online. What is the answer? If I say she has reached dash the supermarket, the answer is she has reached. Tugambye ekintu ekibanga kituuse wantu ogenda ku the search. Good. I wanted to first have a look at your answers. Sinabawa answers zange ndabe and we compare. Okay, she has reached at the supermarket. Kubanga abatuuse, so we are going to use at. That is the answer. Number two, the reader is heading dash police. What is the answer? The reader is heading to. So heading kitegeeza mutwe. Heading kitegeeza agende wantu. You are heading somewhere. Okay? So here we use the reader is heading to police. Okay? Heading eno kitegeeza mutwe oba ekintu ekikulembera nedda itegeeza to proceed oba to move to somewhere. I am heading to work. I am heading to the office. Heading kitegeeza in this case. So the reader is heading to police. Kitegeeza the reader agenda wa? The reader agenda ku police. Remember tugambye heading ekintu ekibanga kiri mu motion oba ekintu ekiba kiri it is going somewhere. Ogenda kozesa ki? Ogenda kozesa eno to. Are we clear? So ekintu ekiba kituuse at that point or at that position ogenda kozesa at. Hope we are clear on that. Okay, so the reader is heading to kubanga tannaba kutuuka. It's just kinagamba the reader is going to police. Are we clear on that? Beautiful. The The third example, it's going to be, she will arrive dash the party late. Your answer is first try that answer at least nyagandabe omuntu omu nga alina kyampeereza wano. Number 3, what is the answer here? She will arrive dash the party late. Answer is she will dash the party late. Answer is answer is she will arrive dash party late. Good. She will arrive at. Beautiful. That will arrive at kubanga okutuuka ku kubanga already oba otuuse so ogenda kukozesa ki at. So she will arrive at the party late. Okay, let's try to translate these sentences to Luganda. Number 1, she has reached dash the supermarket. How can you say that sentence in Luganda? Ogamba otya? She has reached. Nagambye she has reached dash the supermarket. Ogenda gamba otya sentence eyo mu Luganda? How can you say this sentence in Luganda? She has reached dash the supermarket in Luganda. She has reached dash the supermarket in Luganda. Can anyone translate that? Type that sentence and I see. She has reached dash the supermarket. Answer yaffe mu Luganda egenda kubeera etya? She has reached at the supermarket. So kino kigenda kubeera ye atuuse ku supermarket. Ye atuuse ku supermarket. Ye atuuse ku ki? Ku supermarket. Ye atuuse ku supermarket. Number 2, the reader is heading to police. The reader is heading to police. Kigenda kubeera the reader agenda ku police. She will arrive at the party in Uganda. Ye ajja kujja ku kabaga late. Okay, that is it in this live video. Don't forget, every Sunday starting from 6 we are always streaming live. Buli lwa Sunday tutandika saa 12 tubeera live. Okay, so always expect a live video every Sunday. Okay, let's meet up next time. Enjoy your weekend. Bye bye. Welaba.